We were just out for a run here and happened to notice that they were cutting durians. I stopped to film, and now we're eating durians in the orchard, and it turns out it's a homestay, and we're going to make a whole little story about this so you guys can come and enjoy this durian orchard yourself.
300 kilos to Bangkok.
Wow. She's taking these durians back to Bangkok, and she's going to be selling them nearby Khao San Road.
The texture is more dense, it's more of a cookie dough. The flavor is not that strong as you would get if you would let it fall. It's very custardy. It reminds me a lot about dalit from Borneo, eggy flavor, which is a really good eggy flavor. And I would say it's better than a young tree fallen one.
Yeah.
So old tree always wins.
This is Mr. Ji, and he is the owner of the homestay and the farm right here. So he's got all these great durians, and he's gonna show us a little bit around the homestay.
Wi-Fi?
It is easy.
You have Wi-Fi?